Welcome back. It has been maybe 2 months since I touched this thing last. It's just been sitting. It's been deer hunting season here, and so I've been out in the woods enjoying myself and haven't been out in the garage working. It is winter now, so it's cold outside. I guess it's really technically late fall, but it's almost winter officially. Anyhow, it's cold. You're gonna hear the heater in the background running as I work on this thing so that the garage is decently warm. And I'm gonna try and start tackling some of the winter projects that I've got planned for this year. Maybe we'll make a list on the whiteboard of some of those things. So thanks for watching. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're going to tackle is just these exhaust pipes. I'm going to start with this side. I've got leftover header wrap, and I think I can do both sides. I think I got enough, but we're going to start with this side and just go back to probably this X. Kind of two goals with this. First is just heat being transferred through the transmission tunnel into the passenger area, because there's no carpet, no insulation there, obviously. So just trying to cut down on the heat a little bit, especially in like stop and go traffic situations. Just a lot of radiant heat up there in the summer when it's already 90 degrees outside. So just trying to keep some of the heat down here, and also just try and keep some heat off of the transmission if I can. It's pretty close. In fact, it might actually be rubbing there slightly on this flex joint. But it's definitely close in some places. That's what we're gonna tackle. I went ahead and retrieved my wife's favorite baking dish from the kitchen, put some water in it, and started soaking this header wrap in here. I will finish this up later. I actually ran out of the worm clamps that are large enough to go around this 3-inch diameter pipe, so I'll have to get some more of those and finish this up later, but that's pretty much the idea. Next, I am going to check this breather tank out. I did not check it after the last track day, and if you have been watching along, you'll know that after the first track day on the new motor, this thing was pretty full because the PCV ports were on the back of the heads on the top of the valve covers instead of the front, causing a lot of extra oil with G-forces to flow back into this thing. So I didn't have that problem at all on the second track day once I corrected the valve covers, but I didn't crack these at all to see what's in them. So we're just going to check this real quick and go ahead and empty it while we're here. I've got a little drain pan down on the floor. Crack this open here. Let's see what we get. Some water, some condensation. Oil is lighter than water, so I'd expect water first, and the oil or a kind of a milky substance on top here. Yeah, not bad. It was probably, I'm guessing based on what came out, half to a quarter to a third full, something like that. On the first track day, this thing puked after, like, was completely full and starting to come out the top after 2 track sessions. So this is well controlled. Do you need help? Help. Okay, that's how you ask. I will get it. You got it in there. Good. Hold on. Hold on. Nope. Stay away from there now. Real quick, the engagement has been really low on the pedal, lower than it was before, so I think it's collected a little bit of air in that hydraulic clutch line, so we're just gonna throw a wrench on it and bleed it real quick. All right, that's done. I really couldn't get the camera up in there to show you anything, but got that hydraulic clutch bled out from the bottom near the bell housing, so on to the next thing. Next, it's time to wipe off this whiteboard and start with a fresh list. Some of this stuff has already been taken care of, and I just kind of need to do some planning for the winter, figure out what it is we're going to tackle over the winter before we hit track season here in maybe 4 months away. So we're going to start with cleaning this off. Should be a reasonable list of the things I'd like to get accomplished this winter. Some of this has been, like mount the Holly Dash, has been on the list for a little while, but we're going to slowly check through this list. The bottom couple, I'm hoping I can get to. We'll see. I mean, buying Hoosier A7s is just buying it, finding the money to buy it, but that's going to about do it for this video. I just needed to get back out to the garage and take care of a couple things and get back in the mood of working on this thing, turn the heater on in the garage and just enjoy myself, turning wrenches just a little bit. So thanks for watching along on this one, and and I'll catch you on the next one.